Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change any of the rear tail light bulbs or brake light bulbs, reverse lights for this 2008 Subaru Tribeca. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button for me? Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps out a lot. We're going to come back here, open our trunk. The first one we'll do is this one. You will need a 10 millimeter socket and an extension, or a deep well 10 millimeter. We're going to take out this bolt and this bolt right here. Once you've got those out, you can kind of wiggle and pry this tail light loose, kind of like that. It's a little more difficult with one hand. You're just going to basically wiggle and pull this forward. I'm going to use two hands. So I'm going to pull back here with this hand and wiggle with my right hand. There we go. We got it wiggled out. These two tabs right here just slide in and out of these two sockets right here. Now you have access to your two bulbs here. So you've got a running light, which I believe is this one, and this one is a brake light, I believe. So to get these out, you just twist these and pull. There you've got access to your bulbs. Put it back in, put it in and twist. Same thing with this one here. There we go. And you can put it back in. Now the two bulbs in here are going to be a lot easier to change. So we're going to get ourselves a little flat-headed screwdriver. And we're just going to pry this right here and pop this plate off. And then we've got access to our bulbs right here. So these come out by just twisting and pulling. They're just these little bulbs right here that you can pull out. Just wiggle and pull. See there, just a little bulb. To replace it, simply push it back in and it snaps back in. Can push this back in and twist, and there you go. Same thing goes for this one. Twist it out. This bulb's a little bit bigger. There you go. To put it back in, just push it in, it snaps right in. Again, put it in and twist. And then you can just put your plate back on, and that's all there is to it. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.